In this instructional video, we will demonstrate a technique to block an individual on TikTok without directly accessing their profile. Regrettably, TikTok does not explicitly provide a straightforward procedure for accomplishing this task. However, there is a workaround that can be employed to achieve the desired outcome. To begin, launch the TikTok application on your mobile device. Subsequently, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Me icon. Tap on the profile view icon located at the top of the screen. Subsequently, tap on the gear icon situated at the top right corner. Within this menu, locate the toggle button labeled Profile Views and deactivate it. Now go back and locate the Followers button situated adjacent to your profile picture and tap on it. This action will generate a comprehensive list of all users who are currently following you. Identify the user you wish to block or utilize the search bar located at the top of the screen to expedite the process. Once you have located the user, tap on their profile to access it. Subsequently, tap on the Share button positioned at the top right corner of their profile page. A menu of options will be presented. From this menu, select the option labeled Block. TikTok will then prompt you to confirm your decision to block this user. Confirm your decision by tapping on Block once again. By following these steps, the user you have blocked will be unable to view your profile or access your profile views.